guys, welcome to my channel. It's Heda, and in today's video I'm going to show you how I made these cute scrunchies from old clothes which are of no use. Now let's get started. I have used these 4 types of clothes. Light pink and dark pink one is cotton cloth, black one is velvet cloth, and this white and black I don't know. I'm going to show the process with the velvet cloth, whose length is 20 inches and the breadth is around 4 inches. You can take according to you, but don't take it very small. Fold your fabric in such a way that your right part should be inside and stitch this side which I am showing. If you don't have stitching machine, then don't worry, you can use fabric glue like I am using. After applying glue, give it 5 minutes for drying and then take a safety pin and pin one end. Push it inside to flip the clothes towards the right side. Now take an elastic of length around 9 cm. Now attach a safety pin in one end of the elastic and insert that elastic through the clothes. Make sure that the ends of the elastic should not go inside it. Tie both the ends of the elastic in double knots. The knot should be tied. Fold one end of the cloth inside and insert another end of the clothes towards the folded end. And after all these, take needle and thread and stitch this part by your hand. If you don't want to stitch, then you can use fabric glue also. Now your DIY handmade scrunchie is ready to use. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up, and for more such videos you can subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching. Bye.